Today, I'll walk you through how to import data from Excel to Monday.com, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to transfer your data seamlessly so you can streamline your project management. Let's get started. First, navigate to your Monday.com workspace. You can do this by going to the link provided in the description below. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It might look a bit different depending on your settings, but don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Now, look for the plus sign on the left column of your workspace. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your project. Click on that plus sign. This will open up additional options for you to choose from. Next, you'll see a menu pop up. Click on More to expand your options. This is where the magic begins. From this menu, select Import Data. This will lead you to the next step in the process. Now it's time to choose the format of the file you want to import. Click on Excel/CSV. This option allows you to bring in your data from an Excel spreadsheet or a CSV file, making it easy to integrate your existing data into Monday.com. Once you've selected that, you'll see an option that says Drag File here or click to Browse. You can either drag your Excel file directly into the designated area or click to browse your computer for the file. This is a straightforward step, but take your time. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. After your file is uploaded, click on Let's Customize Your New Board. This is where you can tailor your board to fit your needs. Take a moment to adjust any settings or preferences you might have. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, click on Next. This will guide you through the final steps of the import process. You may need to click Next again to confirm your settings. Finally, click on Create Board. This will finalize the import process and your data will now be organized in a new board on Monday.com. Congratulations, you've successfully imported your data from Excel. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.